This is my 2008 Chrysler Town Country. I just bought not too long ago. And I'm gonna show you step for step how to replace the radio. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is find a flat screwdriver. Right here, I don't know if you can see it, I'm gonna point it. They have these two little doors. You need to open it, so they have two hiding screws in there. I already replaced it, but I'm gonna put a aftermarket rear camera. So you open the compartment right here, and then you open the other compartment. I don't know if you can see it. I already take they have these two little screws right there. I take them off, and then you can open right here, and you have another two set of screws right here, 1 and 2, and you're gonna remove those. Now that you remove those screws right there, you're gonna pull it out. In the bottom right here, it has another 2 screws, but you need to remove the bottom console. Before, when I was installing this, I don't know that, so I break the screw, so now mine it go all the way down, you can see, because I don't remove those 2 screws, but it's easier for me to work now on it. And I'm gonna show you the things that you need for your installation. You're gonna remove these 4, they have 4 screws right here. Where I buy is a set, I buy it in eBay. You can buy the set of the harness and the cover in the side, these plastics right here, to put your radio, for $10. It's really cheap to buy the stuff, and I buy this radio in Walmart for $100, and it's a really nice radio, really simple. So now I remove the radio from the dash, and you can see right here I have my harness that I buy in eBay. They come with this, the antenna for the antenna, and they come for this one for the antenna, the harness for the radio, and this red one that I was wondering where it goes. So this red one, what you're gonna do is open your hood. You're gonna open your hood and run it, and then right here you can see this is my fuse box. It's the only relay that is different of all of them. This one right here, and you're gonna connect your wire into the 87 pin. Is the first one right here, 87 pin. That's how you're gonna run it all the way to the front, to the red wire. That's your power cable. You're gonna connect it into your power cable of the radio. That is gonna allow you to jump the amplifier. So the amplifier, well, not really jump it. So they come on, and all your speakers work. That's the only thing that you need to do, because if not, you need to, in eBay, in Best Buy, they sell you a kit that you don't really need for $100, just to make this simple thing to replace your radio from an aftermarket.